Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is a Nakama Noodles box. These come from a company called Miau Mall. You can get one at miauboxjapan.com. That's M-I-A-U boxjapan.com, and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. 8 to 10 different varieties of instant noodles from Japan in this box. This is the second one that I'm doing an unboxing of. The first one was absolutely spectacular. Let's crack this open. I'm itching to get inside of this thing. Oh, cool. All right, so when you crack open this box, you're going to find this leaflet with the name of the box. This is the Sakura Noodle Night box for April 2024. And on this side, you'll see a QR code. And with that QR code, you can go to their website and get a really great PDF that shows everything about this box, little cultural idiosyncrasies about Japan, things like that. So I'm going to use that code and tell you about everything that's in the box. All right, first off, we have Nissen Artisans Tantan Ramen. And this is actually, I've seen this as Nissen Shokuhin, and this is really good stuff. I don't know that I've had the Tantan variety, and yeah, this is going to be really good. Yeah, I'm stoked. Next up, we've got Nissen Tongari Ramen, sweet and spicy tomato cream and cheese. And this looks like one of their more premium cups. It looks good, like beef, tomato, cheesy, creamy. Yeah, sounds good. Next up, we've got Myojo Ippichan Night Shop Addicting Salt Tare Yaki Soba. So this is going to be like a shio yaki soba. And what's cool about this is it's really funny. I was talking to my buddy today. He's going to make a long trip to an Asian grocery near him. And he's like, I really hope they have the kind that I like, the Myojo Ippichan sauce yaki soba. I'm like, that's pretty easy to find, but like these specialty versions, you don't find them in the United States at all. So this is really cool. Rad. Next up, we've got a Nissen Cup Noodle Beef Dashi Yukajang Big Cup Ramen. As you can see, it says big on top. Yeah, this is kind of a fusion of Korean and Japanese. Yukajang is a very popular Korean ramen. There's plenty of that. And this has gochujang in it. So it'll be a little spicy, beefy. Sounds good. Next up, we've got Myojo's Charumera Bowl Kumamoto Mayu Oil Tonkatsu Ramen. And Mayu oil is basically black garlic oil. This is another one of the Charumera varieties. Charumera is a reference. See, you've got this little guy right there, and he's blowing a horn. Well, the horn is called a Charumera, and what that is kind of like the ice cream man comes to your neighborhood. They play a little song, and then you know, hey, Mom, give me some money so I can go out and get some ice cream. This is... I'm going to blow my horn. Hey, let's go out. Let's go buy some ramen from the street vendor. That's what the Charumera is used for generally. So anyways, yeah, cool. Black garlic oil tonkatsu sounds good. Next up, we've got a Sapporo Ichiban variety. This is their Kuze Fuku and Company Everyday Dashi Shoyu Ramen. And it's definitely kind of a foreboding little black cup. I guess we'll see. I don't know. Next up, we've got Sapporo Ichiban and their Shio Tonkatsu Ramen, and this is a pack version. I love getting these pack versions because they're like impossible for me to source over here, and nobody usually has sent them in the past. So these are cool. Shio Tonkatsu, so it'll be like Shio Tonkatsu, rad. And finally, from our April Sakura Noodle Night box from Miau Mall's Nakama Noodle Box, we've got Marushan Zuban Tonkatsu and Seafood Ramen. I'm looking here, I'm sure somewhere it says, oh, you can make it at skemen or you can make it regular. Skemen is a dipping ramen. So you make the liquid on the side, you have the noodle, and you dip it and then eat it and dip it and eat it. I'll probably make it the regular way, but that's pretty neat that you can make it as skemen too. So with a package that captures the beauty of traditional Japan. This choice was inspired by the night sky at the night Sakura events. The pack combines tonkatsu base and dried fish base for a unique full flavor. Add thick springy noodles and you'll have a tasty ramen or skemen. So that's pretty cool. Sakura, if you didn't know, that's cherry blossoms. And this is the cherry blossom time of year. Down in Seattle at the University of Washington campus, they've got this quad area and there's just enormous cherry trees there. And right about now, see, everybody wants to go there when they're in full bloom. I want to go there when the petals are dropping because it looks like it's snowing. It's really, really neat, really cool. So yeah, this is cool. What a rad box. So in the April 2024 Nakama Noodles box, you get Zuban, tomato cheese, shio tonkatsu, something dark and foreboding, Tantan Ramen, black garlic tonkatsu, shio yakisoba, a Korean-Japanese fusion, and your info leaflet. Well, thanks again to the kind folks who make these Nakama noodle boxes. I am more than happy to unbox these and review everything that's in these boxes forever and ever if they keep ending up being like this, because these are rad. And you just need to go over to miauboxjapan.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider, get yourself a discount, and you'll be in noodle heaven. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 varieties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 varieties in the box, and this is really awesome stuff, and I haven't tried any of it, so this is cool. All right, well, this has been Hans, excited, and wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.